You want another stick? Want the other one? Oh? Yeah, dropped it.
No.
Is there a particular style she likes? Like how? Oh, sorry, baby. Yeah, but this one's big.
Ah.
Big.
Yeah. That's literally a whacking stick. Oh no!
Tickle mommy.
Oh no! Don't tickle mommy! Ah! Uh-oh, broke it. That's a very big stick. Don't worry. It's still a very big stick.
Got.
What a big stick! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! No! Tickle my phone. Yes. Oh no! The phone is so ticklish. Oh! Right, come on. Let's go catch up with Daddy and one guy. Ah!
Tickle monster. Tickle, tickle, tickle.
Tickle.
Oh no! Tickle, 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 run away, run away! Ah! Tickle, tickle, no, run away, run away! Oh no! Oh, what's this? Tickle, 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 oh! Ooh! I thought I heard a birdie. Oh! In the... Yeah, I did actually. I heard something. Oh no! Really? You're just whacking me now with it. I'm just getting whacked with a stick now. It's broken. Okay, do you want another one? Where can we find you another one? Can you hear those birdies? Sweetie, oh? Oh, run away! Run away! Help! Run away! Oh no! It's so ticklish! Help! Help! Run away! Run away! Yeah! Oh no! It's so ticklish! It's broken again. Oh dear. Tell you what, we'll go find another thing. Oh, there we go. That one's good. Right, come. Let's go find some more. Yeah, on the way home. But can you hear the birdies? Maybe she's still up. She should be fast asleep. She's asleep. What's that? That's mud. Yeah. No. No, we don't eat mud. Right, let's go. I guess we do eat mud. We're gonna have to get you a sand pit. Maybe. We'll see. Daddy wants to get you a sand pit. Yes, Daddy wants to get you a sand pit. With the amount of mud you already eat anyway, there's no need for a sand pit. Hold Mummy's hand. There we go. We'll catch up with Daddy in a minute. Yeah, no running please. Mummy can't run. Yeah, we'll catch up with Daddy slowly. We'll catch up with Daddy slowly. Yeah, she's running. And it's uneven. What is it? What is it? slow going, I know. Yeah. Do you want to take a big one? There's no really big ones over here. This one's a biggish one. Oh. Anna, oh. 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 Here's a big one. Oh, okay, thanks. You don't want it. Yeah, that's a nice big one for you. Yay! What are you using that for? Hip, 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 hip. Bye bye, stone. It's a very big stone, isn't it? Thank you. You don't need any more. When we get to the barn, we can find some more. There's big stones by the barn. Let's get to the barn. Sweetie, let's get to the barn. There's big stones by the barn. Oh, yeah, the barn has bigger stones. Okay. Oopsie. It's very nice and warm today. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Maybe we might even see the cows out. Did you see any cows in the field? Yes, they normally live in that field, but they weren't there today. To the mummy cows and the baby cows and the big daddy cow. Oh, look. Look. Can you see this? Up here. Oh, you can't reach it. Mummy can reach it. Look, let me show you. There. That's a mushroom. It's a big mushroom. Yes? You like mushrooms? Nom, 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 nom. That's too big for one mouthful. You need to take more than one bite of this mushroom. It's a mushroom that's growing on a tree. Wow.
Mushroom tree.
Yes, a mushroom growing on a tree. I've never seen that before. Have you? Don't worry, we'll catch up with Daddy in a minute. You hold Mummy's hand and we go nice and slow. And we'll catch up with Daddy. Because Daddy is now very far. We have to go slowly. Alright, go slowly. There's Daddy. Yeah, Daddy's just walking. Yeah, we have to go slowly, yes. So we can catch up with Daddy nicely. Yeah, because we're going to the same place anyway. Yeah, slowly. Mommy slowly. Anno slowly. Everyone slowly. Daddy slowly. Vongai slowly. Everyone slowly. Yes, baby slowly. Baby's going slowly too.
Mommy, sorry.
Mummy slowly.
Daddy, sorry.
Daddy slowly.
Baby, sorry.
Ba-
Hammer.
Yes, Anosi.
Hammer.
Yes, you're wearing your helmet because you're riding a scooter.
Kusa.
Yeah, but we put the scooter in the buggy. Yeah. So now we're walking.
Walking back.
Yes, walking back home. And walking is nice. The scooter is nice, but walking is also nice.
Bye bye, mommy.
Bye bye.
Bye bye, mommy. Bye bye, toes. Bye bye, toes. Bye bye, toes.
Yeah, big steps.
Back.
Big slow steps.
Back.
Big slow steps. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Yes, Daddy's waiting for us. See, we've nearly caught up with Daddy because we're walking slowly and carefully. Yes.
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Daddy's walking slowly and carefully too. Oh. Yeah, you hear the helicopter?
There.
Yes, well spotted. You're right.
How you do?
Yes, it's high in the sky. Stomp, 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 stomp. I don't know what that is.
Cow.
You think it's from a cow?
Yeah.
Well, it might be from a cow. You're right. I don't know what it is. I saw it on the way and I wondered what it was. It could be from a cow. Anyway, no bother. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go catch up with Daddy. Gonna hold Mummy's hand because it's a bit windy. It's a bit windy.
Ready.
Yeah, so hold Mummy's hand so you don't go flying away. Windy. Birdie. Okay. Oh, Mummy can't lift you up, sweetie. Yeah, let's go catch up with Daddy because Daddy can lift you up. Hold Mummy's hand. Are you a bit tired? Daddy! Please wait for us. Someone's very tired and wants a daddy ride. A daddy ride. Vroom, vroom, vroom in the daddy ride. Alright, Daddy's gonna come pick you up. Now say bye bye to your friends. Did he say bye bye to your friends? No, I haven't dropped a single thing. Say bye bye.
Bye.
See you later.
Bye.